My strategy will be, lecture will start from important concepts we learn in last class. This is for any general class, not for first class. मतलब आज का क्लास है तो पिछले क्लास में हमने जो भी पढ़ा है उसका थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू, which will revise your concept and which will make it better to learn today's class. ये हम पहले थोड़ी देर में डिस्कस करेंगे. After that, intro to today's topic, why that topic is important, what is its weightage in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, क्वेश्चंस किस तरीके से आते हैं, डिफिकल्ट आते हैं या इजी आते हैं, या फिर वेटेज क्या है ओवरऑल टॉपिक का, दैट इट विल बी डिस्कस्ड. आफ्टर दैट एक्चुअल डिस्कशन ऑफ द टॉपिक, मतलब वो पढ़ाएंगे लाइक एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन चैप्टर एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव रुदरफोर्ड्स model, then that Rutherford's model will be taught. After that, doubt somebody will have or some part somebody didn't understand, then that I will re-explain, no problem about it. And after this, after teaching each subtopic, there will be questions based on that subtopic to solve in class real time. As you know, our classes will be real time. I wish to make the class as interactive as possible. और जेई कोचिंग में ना असली मजा इस क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग में है, जो मैंने स्टेटमेंट लिखा है आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा होगा. सो मुझे भी याद है जब मैं कोचिंग में था तो सर ऐसे क्वेश्चन देते थे और हम सॉल्व करते, पहले कौन सॉल्व करता है, इसमें बहुत मजा आता है. यू विल ऑल्सो एंजॉय इट. सो और जेई कोचिंग में असली मजा इसमें है. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक बात को समझ लो, ये आपको स्टडी है ना 2 साल करने हैं पूरे, 11th and 12th रिगरसली. बोर हो जाओगे बीच बीच में, इंस्पिरेशन ले लो, मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स को, और अपना जो लक्ष्य है, अपना जो टारगेट है उसको हमेशा दिमाग के सामने रखो कि यस आई वांट टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, यस आई विल क्रैक, आई वांट टू क्रैक एंड आई विल क्रैक. सो एंजॉइंग स्टडी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब तक आप एंजॉय नहीं कर पाओगे ना, तब तक आप 2 साल ऐसे ढकेल के लेना बहुत मुश्किल है. सो स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग एंड यू विल स्टार्ट. यस, as you will solve the questions, as you will develop test for it and you will enjoy it. So enjoying study is very important, and hope we together will make it done. Okay. And homework after this question solving in the class, or anything after the class, whichever topic we have discussed in today's class, homework of that particular chapter or particular whatever it is taught will be given to you. And from this homework we have ETDCS have created a very good question bank for this. The questions from that bank will be told to you to solve, and next day or for different sessions dedicated for this purpose, the questions which are difficult or which you are unable to solve, that will be discussed. And most importantly, in first class, when I will teach first class, I will tell you, rather teach you the way you should do homework for maximum benefit from it. मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि कैसे बैठ गए कहीं पे और अच्छा ऑप्शनल ही है ABCD लगा दिया, ऐसे नहीं. एक उसका सिस्टम है, कैसे सॉल्व करना है, कैसे होमवर्क करना है, उसका सिस्टम है. एंड दैट विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन फर्स्ट क्लास. That is about my strategy. Most importantly, as I am teaching chemistry, my topics I will tell you. First topic I am going to take is atomic structure, and after that I will be taking chemical equilibrium, not exactly, maybe sometime chemical equilibrium, and then states of matter, that is gaseous state. And after that we will see chemical thermodynamics. Order of chapter may be not like this, but overall these topics I am planning today, from which atomic structure is for sure. Okay, so this is overall view. I hope you will study very good, very nicely, and yes, we will together study, I assure you that. And I am just telling how about my slides will be. I will be teaching with pen tablet as you have seen right now, and after discussion of each subtopic, very important points which you should have with you, that will be displayed on the screen. which I may have, I will type it before only and I will show it on the screen. So you may write that, you may note that, you have to note that. And in this way we will go, we will, with the time we will evolve. You tell me that what you need, sir, भैया ऐसे किया तो अच्छा होगा, या फिर ऐसे करो, ऐसे मत करो, and we will go accordingly, no problem about that. But I think this method is very, will be very helpful to you, so we will go like that. I think this much is enough for today, so thank you.